We are here at Namo's Place, Mahia Resort. We're going to see ano guys? Black chicken! Mama! Come on! He's playing with guys. To the chicken farm. Yeah. Look at this. Chicken! A very big chicken! Oh, look at their chicken here. Very big guys. Yeah, black. We are going to see the chicken, black chicken. Look at this guys. I saw in the video, in Indonesia video guys, these black chicken are very expensive. Look at them. Look at them, huh? Black chicken guys. Everything, their body inside of that also is also black. Look at that. Hi. Yes. It's a lot, no? Guys, imagine guys, all of this here is the farm of my student parents. Look at this. Hello. Black chicken. Grabe expensive kani siya guys. Awo. Wow! Oh, they like cheese ball. Wow! Cheese ball. So big, no? Come here, Mama. Oh, it's a rice. Rice grain. Mix. Mix kuya, mix. Long neck.
Fighting cock.
Ah, for fighting cock. This one, Philippines, a lot of fighting cock.
A lot?
that one better? Do you like it better? Yeah. He said, they said, oh, it's special. We only eat sometimes. How many chicken con men? 60? Good morning! We are here at Namo's place. At Namo Resort, guys. If you want to stay here, it's very cheap. Only 1,200 baht per night. No? 1,200 baht per night, and Asilay VIP, guys, 1,800 baht. Yeah, it's so beautiful. If you wanna go outside, this is the patio. The patio, the backside. This is a mura siya, ano guys, it looks like a small house, a cottage like this. So this is outside. We also have a chair and a table to stay outside if you want to stay outside like this, and you will see nature. Right. Yes, guys. So naaslay, they also have I think they have 16 houses here. I think they have 16 houses here. So guys, this is their house look like here. So this is the resort here, like that. And they have small houses, and this is their house look like, guys. Oh, guys, nice. And so everyone also until there has a lot of houses, and we are staying here. We are staying here. Look at that. Look. So when you get in, there's a table here outside. Yes, and then you need to use a card to get inside, and it's locked, so we have to knock. Yes, that's locked. Hello.
Can't open it.
Yeah, I know, I cannot open it. So guys, here is the room. Have a mirror. Alright guys, that's me. Hi. Yes, and we have closet too. A lot of storage. And we have the toilet. We have the towel. And we have I stay in the floor. And Namo and Jahavi here. Yeah. Whose place is this? Namo's place. Maya Resort. Wala siya isugod. So, this place is good for, and they also have a mini ref. Mini ref inside our. Oh no! Mini ref. Yes, and this. And a seat to work, a table, working table, and a TV. That's it, guys. Yes, and today Namo and I will go to their farm and we'll pick some mango. Mango? Chicken, huh? No, we went to the chicken yesterday already. Okay? Nah? Yeah. We are still at the resort, and Namo's mom is calling us because they said we have to eat breakfast and it's already past 10. I don't know where. Guys, so beautiful here. Look at that. Yay! So that one is a house. Some of them are 1,800 and the regular house is only 1,200 per night. Yes. Like that. I think there are 16 houses in here. So, and also guys, they cater also birthday parties. They also have wedding parties, something like that, guys. When I'm out gatherings, they also have a reception in there. Namo knows how to drive motorbike. Last time we stayed in this house, I think that house. This is where Namo stayed. Right here. What do you want? Oh, you're cooking food here too now? What is this? No, he didn't bring a mask.
Inside the car.
Let's go! Bye Leo! Bye bye! Bye bye! Hurry! Ah! Okay. I will stay outside. Yeah. And he's going to take shower first. Look at this. Water lily. Namo has a swimming pool here. Look. And the swimming pool is not used. Oh no, your swimming pool, Namo, is dirty. Later today, hapon-hapon, sunset na guys, we will go to that place over there. We will get some fruits because they said it's theirs and they own it. And then we're going to, oh, that's the chicken farm over there where we went the other day. Chicken farm. There's water tank like that, and here. So yeah, it's a very nice place. So if you want to come and stay here, you can stay. Now only this time they're closed because, you know, it's COVID. Yeah. And look at this fruit. This fruit is a miracle fruit. It's very gahi, guys, this one. Miracle fruit. Yeah.